Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn about how to write to a file. In the last video we have read the file. Now we are going to write into a file. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here I'm going to previously we are reading the file, now writing into the file. So let's copy this code and paste into our Python project. So this is our previous code. Okay, let's try to comment all of the code and make a new code over here. So just let's add it. Okay, so first of all we have the file path output.txt where we want to write into the file. Contents to write hello world. Open the file in the write mode will overwrite the file if it is exists. Okay, so we are going to do this one. So first of all, we have to open the file in the write mode with open write mode. And now file dot write will help you to write the content into the file. Writing multiple lines. So this is the array you can see. And now if you want to write multiple lines, so file dot write whatever lines you want to write, whatever the array we have. So you can write, if you want to write multiple, then you can use write lines, file dot write lines, and the array of the multiple lines that you want to add into your file. Okay, so see, you can see I haven't created the output.txt. Let's see it's create the output.txt automatically or not. Let's go to the terminal and run python this, and it's automatically if it is not there, it automatically created the output.txt and write all the contents. Let's have a look. So here you can see that line 1, line 2 and the line 3, all it is added. Okay, but here the contents to write open the file and write will overwrite the file if it is exist. Okay, I think if I just comment this one, then see, because here you can see it's override. Okay, if I just save this and try to run again, then what will happen? Hello world. Okay, so because this file is overriding the previous lines of code, that's the reason only showing the line 1, line 2 and the line 3. If I just open it, okay, control Z, I need to just open these lines. Okay, you have already seen that, right? Save this, and here you can see the output of txt have line 1, line 2 and the line 3. So this is how you are able to write into a file. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.